Hello champ! What happens when you're judging yourself less and you're focusing more on just doing something? Even that you don't really know what you're doing, but just doing. In today's video is speed paint. We are going to talk about doing more and less thinking. If you are an overthinker, if you are someone extremely anxious, or anything according to these lines, I believe there is a huge benefit from training, developing the idea, the ability to not care at all about what you're doing. This artwork is the perfect example of it. I work it a lot, not thinking a single minute, oh, this gotta be better, or oh, and this and the perspective and this other thing. This artwork I did 100% relaxed. It's rare, I know. It's really rare, but I did it 100% relaxed, and I didn't a single time ask myself, oh, I gotta do this and that, and I'm really happy with the results. So I would like to challenge you to try yourself. What if you were there not picking a fight with yourself? I know it may be hard, but not picking a fight with you, the artist. What if you're there just doing your own thing, relaxing, like, oh, nice, here, light, oh, nice, here, shadows, oh, you have fur here, haha, and eyes, I love eyes, and all of those things. Just chilling, in the moment, focused, moistured, and happy. This is specific, I know. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. This drawing, there is a huge lesson that I want to tell you, champs. You not really caring that hard about what you're doing, but keep on drawing, doing your best and evolving, but keeping that flow, keeping that calm state of mind. It's going to get you so far, like extremely far. The more relaxed you are, the more you let your body express itself. And this is extremely important. You have probably seen already me and other speed paints talking about the interior game of tennis, how you need to just chill and you're going to be more productive if you're not on action mode, if you're not on full adrenaline mode. The more chilling you are, the more you can produce, the best outcome it's going to be. And this artwork, which is pretty much a doggo just chilling close to a fireplace, looks so good. I wish I was there just hearing frogs doing blah, 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 and the fire just cracking. Damn it, it looks relaxing. It truly does. So I want to ask you, why don't try getting even more into a calm state of mind when drawing? This can get you so far. And I wanted to come back in the comments of this video and tell me, hey Gabs, this worked, hey Gabs, this did not work, hey Gabs, I like the sky. Yeah, tell me anything, but I want to hear you. Okay, now let's keep on going. This artwork, everything was done without using that amount of effects. I didn't go crazy on color dodge or screen or any other effect. No, it was pretty much, oh, this side is warmer, this side is cooler, I'm going to make blue tones here, I'm going to make red tones here, all of the basics. And the best part for me, at least, was the foreground, where there is the tree close to us, the viewer. I was like, no, this needs to be better, and then this and then this. Yeah, I like it. I love it. Yeah, who's the good tree? You are the good tree. I love you, tree. That was pretty much my whole thinking about the tree. Love trees. Have you hugged a tree? Hug a tree. Why not hug 2 trees? Why not hug 3 trees? Huh? Why not hugging 3 trees? Free. And there is something, a great tip that I gotta give to you, champs, about drawing. And this is something important. Since I was extremely relaxed in this artwork, I could focus on adding shadows, light, rendering all at the same time, and it was not something overloading my brain. It was something chill, and I was able to work much faster. I don't know how long did it take to this drawing to be done. You guys will know. I don't know, but it's going to appear in the beginning of this video. But I'm sure it was fast. This artwork was not something, oh, 100 hours, let's go. No, it was good. It was fast good, and especially because you understand, like, oh, face, more details, easy. Oh, shoes, not so much, it's not the main thing. Oh, fireplace, important, more rendering, high quality, 4K. It's important to keep in your mind that certain places are going to receive much more attention and others just going to let it be with the fog and the ambient light and just vanish, like I did to the lake in the background and the rocks and the grass. I pretty much vanished a lot with that because they do not need to be appearing. Why would they need to be appearing? I don't think they need to be appearing. Banish them. I mean, be friends with them. Ha, yes. Be friends with the areas that are not appearing so much. If you want to have areas that appear a lot, you gotta have areas that don't appear a lot. And have anyone noticed type down in the comments before I say what is the type of composition in this piece. This is an easy, this is a very easy one, by the way. Very easy. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now it's time. Do you see warm tones and cooler tones? Anyone that said complementary? You are correct. That's right. You are correct. This is pretty much... I was going to say, can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? No, this is pretty much two opposites. Cool and warm on the opposite sides. Who is going to win? Let's see who is going to win in this incredible battle that is going to happen. Haha. And also at the end, I was feeling like the full drawing was a great process, simple, quick, easy, amazing. But at a certain point, I was just like, there's something missing here. There's something missing here. You probably felt that, and this is fine. This is just your body. This is just your body way of telling you, I need you to add something here, but I don't know what. Give me ideas, please. Give me ideas. I would do it. I don't care. I would do it. I forgot what details are. Please give me an idea. And in my case, it was drawing those insects flying. Yeah, of course I remember the name. Yeah, that name. Heck yeah. Of course I knew it. I always knew it. Oh, and by the way, the time that you see this video, we are already going to upload on our YouTube channel a live stream of free feedback paint over and free feedback voice feedback on YouTube. And I'm going to help every single one of you champs that are in the stream and that I can without breaking my body, of course. I'm going to help every single one of you in that stream, and I'm going to do these streams more frequently, probably at least one per month. And it's fully sponsored by me. Heck yeah! So I believe you're going to take a lot out of it. I mean, me giving feedback for you, giving you direction where to follow, where to not follow. That's a great deal, okay? And for free, that's a great deal! What are you waiting for? Just go for it! Every single month, I'm doing it, mamma mia! Just follow me on my social medias and you can see when I'm uploading it. What are you waiting for? Come on! I'm still addicted to Hades. Focus on the video. So yeah, if you're there thinking all the time, making too much stress in your mind and pressure, I gotta do it. The chances of you not doing it are so high, like so extra high. Make your body relaxed, make your body calm. Do you know those kung fu warriors, masters, and they always have that very chill vibe and talking about inner peace and everything? They knew it. They freaking knew it. They knew it. Humanity knows that. If you're peaceful inside, you can do even more in the outside. So if there is one thing that I need you to take from this video, champ, it is work on the inside, and then you can get anything you want in the outside. But it's important to have that inner peace, that internal conversation, or maybe no conversation at all, just existing, you know? Just existing, just being who you are, champ, huh? Who I'm asking you right now, who you are. I wanna know. Tell me. It's so funny how I'm able to laugh so many times no matter what is happening. We did a complementary composition. We talked about using curves. I didn't use much of effects like color dodge, screen, and other types. I think I used color balance, but I took it out. I used camera raw filter as always at the end. I used grain. No, I didn't use blur. Oh, I used blur on the leaves in the foreground, and on the fire I was like, this fire, the yellow must be brighter, the red must be darker. Yeah, I changed that in camera. It's pretty much that. It was a simple artwork. When you start to understand that every artwork, especially when it's working with characters, okay? This is a great tip, especially when you're working with characters. There is always a certain thing that is going to repeat. Oh, always green light. Oh, always shadows. Oh, always light. Oh, always certain details here following this direction. You start noticing a pattern, and the pattern keeps on repeating. That's the moment that your processes start getting faster and faster. Just like trying to learn piano. The first time you're going to suck, second time you're probably going to suck, but third time you're going to get a little bit more. And that little bit more on compound interest, you're going to get so far away. Time can do incredible things to us humans, and you are not the exception. You can do incredible things. Even if you say to yourself, oh, I don't think so, my art bad. No, your art's doing great. You're evolving very fast. According to everything that your body and you overall have been through, you are doing your very best, and I'm proud of you, champ. Remember, you want to learn art with me? Check out in the description my all-in pack with all my art tutorials, save live streams, performance, and everything you're looking for. And this full our drawing process, everything I saved there. Yeah, on that cloud system. And not only that, check out other videos, we have our tutorials, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. I would really like to know in the comments what you thought about this video. Just saying, you know, just saying. Have a great day, have a great night. All the love, all the peace. Bye-bye!